First of all, thank you for being here in my YouTube channel. Today we're going to see a revision on SURD. So let's begin with the first question. Verify 1/2 SURD 32 minus SURD 18 plus SURD 2. So this is 1/2. 32 can also be written as 32, 2 here is 16, 2 into 16 is 8, 2 into 8 is 4, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 2 is 1. You will take the pairs, that is 2 and 2 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4, leaving us with only 1, 2. So take this 4 and 4, making it 16. So 16 times 2 will give us 32. So 32 can also be written as 16 times 2. Minus, another name for 18 is 2 into 18 is 9, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 into 3 is 1. So you take the pairs, 3 and 3 is 9, that is 18 is 9 times 2, followed by plus SURD 2. So at this point, square root of 16 is 4. The 4 will be out from the square root, that is 1/2 times 4, leaving us with SURD 2. Minus square root of 9 is 3. And mind you, we are having an invisible 1 here, and this is 1 times the square root of 9 is 3. The 3 will come out from the square root, leaving us with only SURD 2 plus SURD 2. So 2 divided by 4 is 2, and 1 times 2 will give us 2. SURD 2 minus 1 times 3 is 3, followed by SURD 2 plus SURD 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 SURD 2, or you can also say minus SURD 2. So 1 SURD 2 and the SURD 2 are still the same. So 2 minus 3 is minus SURD 2 plus SURD 2. So we're having an invisible 1 here. We are also having an invisible 1 here. So minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0. There is nothing like 0 SURD 2. 0 is 0. So the final answer of this question is 0. So let's see the next question. Find 3 SURD 45 minus 12 SURD 5 plus 6 SURD 20, leaving your answer in form. So 3 SURD 45 minus 12 SURD 5 plus 16 SURD 20. So 45 can also be written as 3 into 45 is, that is 3 into 4 is 1 remainder, 1 plus 1 making it 15. 3 into 15 is 5. 3 into 15 is 5, and 5 into 5 is 1. You take the pairs, that is 3 and 3 is 9. So 45 can also be written as 9 times 5. So therefore we have 3 SURD 9 times 5 minus 12 SURD 5 plus 16 SURD 20. And this 20 can also be written as 20. 2 into 20 is 10, 2 into 10 is 5, 5 into 5 is 1. So this 20 can also be written as, take the pair, which is 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So square root of 9 is 3. So then 3 will come out from the square root. That is, we have 3 times 3 SURD 5 minus 12 SURD 5 plus 16. Square root of 4 is 2, so the 2 will be out from the square root. That is 16 times 2, followed by SURD 5. So 3 times 3 will give us 9, followed by SURD 5, minus 12 SURD 5, plus 16 times 2 is 32, SURD 5. So SURD 5, SURD 5, SURD 5, so I can subtract and add. So 9 minus 12 will give us minus 3 SURD 5 plus 32 SURD 5. That is minus 3 SURD 5 plus 32 SURD 5 will give us plus, that is 32 minus 3 will give us 29. So minus 3 plus 32 will give us plus 29 SURD 5. So SURD 29 SURD 5 is the answer of this question. Let's move on to the third question. So at the third question, we are told to simplify SURD 108 plus SURD 125 minus SURD 75. So 108 can also be written as 2 into 10 is 5, 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into this is 2. Remember 1 plus 1 here, making it 14. 2 into 14 is 7. 2 can never divide again. We go by 3. 3 into 27 is 9. 3 here is 3. 3 here is 1. We take the pairs, that is 3 and 3 is 9. And 2 and 2 is 4. Leaving us only with 3. So we have 9 times 4, which is 36 and the 3. So 108 can also be seen as 36 times 3. So we have 108, which is 36 times 3, followed by 125. 5 here is 25, 5 here is 5, 5 here is 1. So take the pairs, that is 5 into 5, that is 5, 5 is 25, and 5 times 5, 25 times 5 will give us 125. So 125 is still the same thing as 25 times 5. Followed by 75 can also be written as 3 can go 3 into 27 is 2, 2 remainder 1. Place 1 here, making it 15. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 can go, 5 here is 5, 5 here is 1. So 5 and 5 is 25, and 75 can also be written as 25 times 3. So from here we have the square root of 36 is 6. So the 6 will be added from the bracket, although we have 1 here. So I will write 1 times 6, so 3. Invisible 1, that is 1 times the square root of 36 is 6. The 6 will be added from the square root, leaving us with 3. Plus we have an invisible 1 here, which is 1 times, so the square root of 25 is 5, and the 5 will be added from the square root. We have 1 times 5, leaving us with SURD 5. Minus 1 invisible 1 times square root of 25 is 5. The 5 will be added from the what? Square root, which is 1 times 5, leaving us with SURD 3. Now 1 times 6 is 6 SURD 3, plus 1 times 5 is 5 SURD 5, minus 1 times 5 is 5 SURD 3. In law of SURD, we cannot add SURD 3 and SURD 5 together. So we are going to collect like terms here. So we have 6 SURD 3. So, and the 5 minus 5 SURD 3 will come over. Remember, the sign will not change because there is no equal sign here. So 6 SURD 3 followed by minus 5 SURD 3, followed by plus 5 SURD 5. So 6 SURD 3 plus minus 5 SURD 3 will give us 1 SURD 3. 1 SURD 3 and SURD 3 are still the same, followed by plus 5 SURD 3. So I cannot add 1 SURD 3 and 5 SURD 3 because their SURD are not the same. So SURD 3 plus 5 SURD 5 is the answer of this question. Let's see the fourth question. Simplify 2 SURD 28 minus 3 SURD 50 plus SURD 72. So 28 can also be written as 2 into 28 is 14, 2 into 14 is 7, 7 here is 1. We take the pairs, that is 2, 2 is 4. That is to say that 28 can also be written as 4 times 7. Minus 3 SURD 50 can also be written as 2 into 50 is 25, 5 into 25 is 5, 5 into 5 is 1. So you take the pairs, that is 5 times 5 is 25, and 50 can also be written as 25 times 2. So 72 can also be written as 2 into 72 is 36, 2 into 36 is 18, 2 into 18 is 9, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 here is 1. We take the pairs, 2 and 2 is 4, 3 and 3 is 9, and 4 and 9, 4 times 9 will give us 36, that is 72 can also be written as 36 times 2. So square root of 4 is 2, so the 2 will be added from the SURD. So we are going to have 2 times 2, leaving us with SURD 7. Minus 3, square root of 25 is 5, the 5 will be added from the SURD, leaving us with minus 3 times 5, leaving us with SURD 2. Plus, we are having an invisible 1 here. So square root of 36 is 6. The 6 will be added from the SURD. So we are going to have plus 1 times 6, leaving us with SURD 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, SURD 7. Minus 3 times 5 is 15, SURD 2. Plus 1 times 6 is 6, SURD 2. So I cannot subtract 4 SURD 7 minus 15 SURD 2 because their SURD are not the same. But I can solve this and this because their SURD are the same. So we're going to have 4 SURD 7 minus 15 plus 6 will give us minus 9 SURD 2. I cannot subtract this and this because their SURD are not the same. So 4 SURD 7 minus 9 SURD 2 is the answer of the fourth question. The fifth question says, if SURD 72 plus SURD 32 minus 3 SURD 18 is equals to S SURD 8, find the value of S. So 72 can also be written as 36, 2 into 36 is 8, 2 into 8 is 9, 3 is 3, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 here is 1. You take the pairs, 2 and 2 is 4, 3 and 3 is 9, and 9 times 4 will give us 36, and 72 can also be written as 36 times 2 plus 32 can also be written as 2 into 32 is 16, 2 into 16 is 8, 2 into 8 is 4, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 2 is 1. So you take the pairs, 2 and 2 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4, leaving us with 2. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 32 can also be written as 16 times 2. Minus 3 SURD 18 can also be written as 2 into 18 is 9, 3 here is 3, 3 here is 1. You take the pairs, that is 3 and 3 is 9, and 18 can also be written as 9 times 2. Is equals to S SURD 8. Square root of 36 is 6. The 6 will be added from the SURD. That is 6 SURD 2 plus 16. The square root of 16 is 4, and the 4 will be added from the SURD. We have plus 4 SURD 2 minus 3. Square root of 9 is 3. The 3 will be added from the SURD, which is minus 3 times 3, leaving us with SURD 2. Is equals to S. That of 8 can also be written as 2 here is 4, 2 here is 2, 2 here is 1. You take the pairs, which is 2 and 2 is 4. And 8 can also be written as 4 times 2. So this is 6 SURD 2 plus 4 SURD 2 minus 3 times 3 is 9 SURD 2. Is equals to square root of 4 is 2. The 2 will be added from the SURD, leaving us with S times 2 followed by SURD 2. So I can add this and this and subtract with this because all are having the same SURD. So 6 plus 4 will give us 10 SURD 2 minus 9 SURD 2 is equals to S times 2 is 2S SURD 2. So 10 minus 9 is 1 SURD 2. 1 SURD 2 is still the same thing as SURD 2. Is equals to 2S SURD 2. So SURD 2 will cancel SURD 2, leaving us with 1 is equals to 2S. So 2S is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to 2S and 2S is equals to 1 is still the same. Now I'm looking for S. I'm going to divide by the coefficient of S. And the coefficient of S is 2. That is S is equals to 1 divided by 2. So, thanks for watching. And do remember to subscribe to the channel or follow the page for regular notification on every new video.